weekend, this is the test weekend. We will be in Batangas for 3 days. And then after here, we proceed to Clark to do the final testing day. Of course, Revo Racing Project is a racing team that works closely, very much closely with Aprilia Racing, with Massimo Ribola of Aprilia Racing MotoGP. The season is until 7 rounds, until the 7th round. Of course, the points multiplier will do a very crucial part in determining the outcome of the championship for the end of the year. But then again, we still have 5 rounds to go, coming into the 3rd round in July, the first weekend of July. So we are very much hopeful that we will be able to deliver. We believe in Marvin. We believe in his talent, his skills, and I believe it's necessary to support him all the way.
Much better na, so excited na ako bukas. So kanina umaga, kumuha kami ng mga data, so ina-apply na namin ng mga previous session. So itong last session for today, maganda. So big improvement for the first day. On the last session, feeling ko parang nandun na agad.
We thought of acquiring a second teammate for Marvin. Dashi will race with us for the whole season up to round 7.
Oh, nice to be back sa bike na to, sa B4, kasi sanay tayo sa sa inline, tagal. Kaya electronics and power delivery sobrang ibang-iba. And handling ba rin, syempre. So, yes, so malaking kasi nakapag-share kami ng data dito. So, kilala niya yung bike. So, mas maganda kasi nga dami naming napag-uusapan dun sa setup.
Hi all, I'm the race engineer of Revo Racing Project in Italy, and I've been there for work with the Moto Revo Racing team of Filipina, and we are here to test and perform with the APX2 bike of Aprilia Racing. It was a really good first day. Marvin is really a good rider, and we tried some different chassis movement and electronic setup for him in the first day, and we still have something to perform better and make more performance, but it was a quite good first day. Tomorrow we will try some different chassis setup and also electronic one to improve a bit the pace and also for qualifying practice.
Sobrang bago sa akin for the entire career. Ito yung dream ko noon pa, as in, imagine meron kang na-express yan ng output mo, na gusto mo sabihin na okay, ito yung nangyayari sa akin, pwede ba natin adjust to. Sobrang dream come true, very professional. So dun sa data na pinapakita sa akin, sinasabi ko, no, hindi ako nagsasoli. No, nagsasoli ka. You're closing the gas. So, wala kang maililihim na parang, nakapin ako. And then, you're not full throttle. Lahat may data, brake pressure, lean angle, traction control, wheel control. Alam mo to, boomlan pa lang, hindi ako gumagamit ng rear brake. Tama? Di ba? Yung mga tapakan natin nun, wala nang preno, bushing lang. So ngayon natuto akong gumamit ng rear brake in a way na okay, naalaman ko kung okay. So yun yung medyo
Pinilit ka niya, no?
Oo, pinilit niya ako. Yun yung medyo siguro hindi alam ng lahat na from the very first na nag-race ako up to this, ngayon lang ako gumamit ng rear brake. Actually, yung pinakita sa akin data ng MotoGP. So sabi ko, no, it's not real, it's AI. Sabi ko ganun, kasi grabe yung data nung mga yon. Kaya nung pinakita niya sa akin, doon ako na-inspired. Okay, try ko. So ngayon, tinesting ko kanina, yung result hindi, not joke. Very positive result.
Now, Mirko coming here has made it very much easier. We have already made a connection with them and the Revo Racing project, so they have promised us continued support all throughout the season for 2025. Dashi is really a very fast learner. He adapts very well, quickly with a new bike. Of course, coming in from inline 4 to V4 is not that easy, but we were surprised that on the second day, last Friday, Dashi made a significant advancement in terms of power and handling and how he manages the bike.
Hi, I am Uncle Reino, originally Finnish guy, worked 40 years in Germany. I drove in MotoGP with 250, 350, 500cc bikes in early 80s, as you see. I am race engineer for Marvin and Dashi. But what Mirko brought definitely good. He brought new data, new base from Europe, what Aprilia race teams are using normally. And I see already when Marvin is riding, I see already if he's fast or not. By his position on the bike, how he is acting. I know exactly what he is feeling. I see. YSS is very good because if we change something, the steps or these changes are tighter than, for instance, with Hurley's. Hurley's is not bad, but we can go more in details with YSS suspension. It's very good. And it has one knob more to turn.
Yes.
Fresh tires, konting lomi.
Hindi pa sagad.
meron pa. You see, dalawang tubo na. Tangin.
We just finished 4 days of testing, 3 in BRC and 1 in Clark. Super positive. We are able to break the lap time record in BRC, and we are starting the work in Clark to be the same and to do the same. And it was a really good time here to work with the Moto Revo Racing team and Marvin, that is a really fast rider. And we enjoy every single lap together. Extremely good rider because he heard a lot our hints and he tried to apply every single lap a little bit different, and it's not common to find a rider that try everything you suggest to. very good time here in Philippines. The track is very different from us, and the temperature also. We reach tarmac temperature really high, so we have to work in a different way from Europe. But we are find something that work also here. We are able to be fast also here with our APX2 bike.
Ay, in a day, sobrang ang dami. So, sobrang bago para sa akin. Pero, and yet, nag-adapt naman tayo slowly. So, syempre, hindi lahat instant. Pero, yung nakuha natin na data for today is really a good one. Marami na iba eh. Naiba yung way of turning, naiba yung way of braking point, naiba yung acceleration. So, lahat bago. Kumpara dati na medyo rounded, ngayon medyo naiba talaga.
With the help of Aprilia Racing Italy, we really learned a lot. We learned new techniques, we learned new things, we learned new technology on using the bike, the Aprilia RSV4. And our collaboration with Revo Racing Project has proven to be much needed.
Thank you sa lahat ng fans sa nagsusupport sa akin, sa buong team. Siyempre, thank you so much, Boss Charlie, our team manager, Boss Peter. Thank you so much, siyempre, Revo Racing Team, Italy, for this opportunity, syempre, na nangyayari, na tulungan kami sa pag-prepare ng bike, kasi Ray, syempre, malaking tulong lahat. Kasi yun nga, dati kasi wala eh, talagang self-learn, puro self-learn. So, malalaman mo lang pagka sumeplang ka na, malalaman mo lang pagka, alam mo yun, medyo late lagi eh. Nalalaman mo lang pag tapos nung kung kailangan mo siya kailangan. Biyari, race day. Okay, alam ko na yung pace. So, alam ko na gagawin ko for the next race. Kaya lang, ang nangyayari is lagi na lang one step back lagi tayo eh. Na instead na, okay, move forward tayo na move forward. So, sana this time, and I think this time, maganda na yung magiging takbo natin. So, syempre, ang goal natin is the overall championship.
Bye-bye. Let's go.